Well, hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Cowboy Cole. My name is Cowboy Cole. Today we're going to look at another product video, another OLight product. Before we go on, I just want to make clear at the outset that I am not sponsored by OLight or any of the other products that I review. I am just a huge fan of the products and the torches and overall quality of the releases of OLight. A couple of things that I carry with me all the time is the SIR Baton 2, it's that one, and I've had this for about a year. This is the Warrior Mini 2 from OLight, the tactical light, superb, but they could be product of another video. So I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing of the OLight Obulb today. I've got a couple other ones of these floating around, but I just thought I'd show you exactly what you get when you purchase and what they provide for you. Just look at some of the features. For those of you who haven't decided on whether you want one or not, it is wholly recommended because, as with anything that OLight do, it is worthwhile paying a little bit more, but it's not that expensive compared to other products. So what do you get in this box? Okay, as it says, it's called OLight Obulb, light by your side. Explains a little bit of the features on the back there. You can see that you get 3 light settings, or in fact 4 light settings. You get white light. I can use this one here, which is the first setting there. So that's the low white light. That runs at 3.5 lumens, and that has a total running time of 55 hours without charging. Go up to the next level, click the bottom. So you're doing is clicking the bottom of the Obulb there. Another press, okay, so that goes up to 55 lumens and has a running time of 3 hours. Also comes with a red light here, so really useful if you are driving at night and you need an emergency light, you need to be seen. So another click of the button, take you to red. Okay, it's red, and it also has a flashing, that red light runs at 7 lumens, and that has a running time of 7 hours. You got the flashing light, flashing red. Okay, that flashing red light will run for 30 hours, also at 7 lumens. Okay, and it's got the memory, so it'll hit there, you hit the button again, and it will resume again on the low light. So let's have a look at what you get in the packet. With most things that OLight provide, comes with a set of instructions. As it says there, congratulations on your new OLight Obulb. Explains how to open it. Okay. They always come with this great packaging. Talks about the OLight family. I'd like to think that I am in the OLight family. I've certainly purchased enough of their products over the years. Okay, actually won't go to all the effort of doing this. Okay, because what it'll do, it'll give you the charger at the back, underneath. Okay, and also comes with these little features here. Comes with a USB cable, magnetic charging cable, and an adhesive metal badge, and the user manual. So this adhesive metal badge, it's got a sticker lining on the back, and you can stick that, which means that obviously this is magnetic. Okay, so you could stick it to a fridge, you could stick it to anything that you need to. Problem is though with this, is that it's got only one adhesive thing. So if you're going to leave it in a permanent position, that would be wonderful. Okay, but if not, like I don't, I just sit there and I put that at night, I just stick it like that, and it just houses it like that. Okay, so underneath that one, as you can see, straight out of the package, okay, he needs to charge, obviously. Okay, that one. But there they are side by side. They come in a range of different colours. Okay, now underneath there is just the charging, is just the the metal badge that you can use, and it also comes with the charging cable. Set of instructions. So I've got another charging cable here, universal, as with all OLight products. Just take him off there. connects, magnetic, plug him into USB device. Okay, so conveniently I've got one here. Power bank there. So we might have a look actually at the one that, okay, plug him in. You can see he's charging that red light there. So it automatically defaults to green. Okay, so we put this other guy in who's actually empty. Okay, and he'll keep charging. Okay, couple hours charging time, maybe 90 minutes in full, depending on your power source. It's just a solar power bank. Well, it's a power bank that I actually charge with a solar panel. Subject for another video. As I've said, I really rate this product, the Obulb by OLight. I think it's fantastic. I use it in so many different capacities, but you can use it as a nightlight. It also is waterproof, so you can float it on the swimming pool. Great for kids in the bath. Whole range of functions, but I put a couple of these in different rooms at night, and it just provides that 6 or 7 hours of illumination at night, so it doesn't look like the room is totally dark from the outside. So I actually give these products about a 9.5 out of 10. I don't know why anyone wouldn't have them. They're recommended for all sorts of different uses, and at around $20, you know, it's really hard to beat. So go out and get one. Obulb by OLight. Thanks for watching this video, and check us out regularly if you haven't. Subscribe button there. Adventures with Cowboy Cole. Please leave any comments if you're also a fan of Obulb or OLight. We'll talk to you in the next video. Cheers.